The world of coding is changing fast, and at the center of it all is artificial intelligence. But what does this mean for the future of developers and software creation? Let's dive into the key shifts happening right now. As AI continues to advance, we face ethical dilemmas that challenge the very fabric of coding itself. Data privacy is now a critical concern. AI systems rely on vast data sets to train, but how much of our personal information is being used in these systems? Then there's intellectual property. Who owns the code generated by AI? Is it the developer, the AI, or the company that trained the system? These questions are becoming more urgent as we rely more on AI for complex coding tasks. And what about bias? AI is only as good as the data it learns from, and biased data sets lead to biased code. This opens the door to discrimination in algorithms, from hiring systems to healthcare tools. As AI grows smarter, these biases can snowball, making it vital to address them now. Gone are the days when developers were sole creators. In the future, developers are more like AI orchestrators and problem solvers. They won't just write code, they'll teach AI how to solve problems, debug errors, and optimize software in real time. As AI takes over more of the repetitive tasks in coding, developers will shift to high-level roles, focusing on strategy, design, and oversight. They'll make decisions, direct AI, and ensure that the code meets human standards and expectations. So what's next? The future is here with predictive coding, AI that can foresee errors before they even happen. Imagine a world where code is optimized as it's being written, with AI helping you avoid bugs and inefficiencies automatically. It's the dawn of a new era, where machines not only help us build, but help us design the frameworks that power the world around us. The future of coding is here, and it's more than just writing code. It's about orchestrating intelligent systems, managing ethical challenges, and staying ahead of AI's evolving role in the tech world. Are you ready for what comes next?